When brand new styles get released, we always like to compare them to styles that we already know. This gives us some extra perspective on the new style, and this may make all the difference when going to purchase your next style. So we're going to take a look at Raquel Welch's High Octane and their new shade RL1621 SS Shaded Glazed Sand. We're going to compare that to another Raquel Welch style called Free Time. We're also going to take a look at this against the Belle Tress's Rosella. So I'll be doing my side-by-side comparisons here in just a moment, but let's run through some of the differences real quick. So this is the Free Time by Raquel Welch. This came out, I think, in 2019, spring 2019, if I'm not mistaken. It's in the color Shaded Wheat. You can see that the Shaded Wheat is a little bit darker in tone. It's also a little warmer in tone than the Shaded Glazed Sand. I do have a full video and breakdown of this color if you want to take a look at that. But the Free Time is a completely hand-tied cap. Lace front, full monofilament, and a hand-tied base. The High Octane is a beautiful lace front, hand-tied monofilament top, and then it's open wefted, machine-made sides and back. They're both longer, curlier styles. The curl pattern, I think, is what gives this one away in terms of being different. So on the High Octane, it's just a choppy, deconstructed kind of a casual beachy wave effect. It's textured at the ends. Whereas the Free Time now is more like a body wave, and it's not tapered and textured at the ends. It's softer, and the crown is also smoother. So you'll see that it's more flat and soft and smooth until you get about a halfway down, and then it starts in with the curl pattern. This gives it a more elegant, I think, sort of feminine and more sophisticated look compared to this High Octane, which is a little more casual. Now I have to say that both of these styles are superior in terms of creating some really nice updos, particularly this High Octane style, because it can go from very casual and bohemian, fun and spirited during the day, and by night you can just make the most beautiful, glamorous updos. Okay, so let's check this against the Belle Tress Rosella. I have it in Mocha with cream. So I chose Rosella to show you against the High Octane because of this beautiful texture. This is the original kind of beachy wave, shattered, textured, tapered, flipped, ultimate California girl hair here. And I feel like the High Octane by Raquel Welch is very similar in structure and curl pattern. A deconstructed wave. I feel like there's a little more body in the High Octane style in terms of just resilience and bounce, a little more. These are so shattered on the Belle Tress styles are so shattered that there's, and texturized, that there's very little body in them. Now the Rosella is going to be slightly longer at around 19 to 20 inches, whereas the High Octane is between 18 and 19 inches, so maybe an inch. The front piece is a little longer at about 11.5 inches opposed to the 10.5 of the High Octane, but very, very similar styles. Okay, let's get right into our side-by-side comparisons.